Is this an EAS? Sorry guys, I kind of had a delay because I was transitioning.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Taylorsville to near Collins, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Yes, this is the EAS here.
Damage to roofs. Siding entries. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Fell around 2:50 p.m. Central Standard.
First EAS is in over a week. Impressed.
2:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Sandersville and Tuckers crossing around 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Low Creek around 3:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Ovid around 3:10 p.m. Central Standard.
Another one.
Other locations impacted
Nice
by these
double header.
thunderstorms include roads, Sozo and Pine View. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Jones, Mississippi.
Double header. I'm probably already at EAS 55 or something like that, aren't I? Thank you guys for helping me get there anyway. I'll thank the weather too.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jasper County in east central Mississippi until 3:15 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Pretty warm down there.
2:32
60 something.
Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pineville to Taylorsville, moving east at 65 miles per hour.
Wow, that's fast.
60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Another one.
Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage.
Oh, another one.
Siding increase. Severe thunderstorms will be near Stringer around 2:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Garlandville and Moff around 2:40.
I'll stick around here.
Standard Time. Rose Hill and Vernon around 2:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Heidelberg around 2:55 p.m. Central Standard Time.
I'm gonna go to the Florida station here for the next EASs. Hold on, guys. I'm all the way here. Sorry, guys. You guys had to miss that here. I'm just seeing if that's in the listening area.
18 to 23 knots with higher gusts. Water Sansius, building to 7 feet. A small craft.
Nope, that's not the EAS there, guys. I was just trying to feature some more EASs in the video so I can at least get to 60 by the end of the day. Thanks, guys, for watching.